Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can read in the title below, we are gonna dye my hair once again. So this is my third hair dyeing sa channel na ito, and I'm so excited because as you guys can see yung buhok ko right now, ang haba na nung root, and yung bleached part is faded na yung nilagay na color before, which is grayish ash. So yun yung color niya before, and as you guys can see, wala na yung pagka-gray niya and faded na, and yun nga, yung roots ang haba na. So here is the before picture of my hair para makita nyo ng ayos yung itsura niya. And then at the end of this video, I'm gonna show to you guys yung results. So ang gagamitin kong pang dye is this one, again, this Bremod, pero iba na yung itatry kong color. Before kasi is lightest blonde, and now ang gagamitin ko is 9.1, which is the very light ash blonde. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? So, ayan yung gagamitin ko, and then kasama niya is this oxidant, which is 12%. Ayan. So, kasama na siya nung binili namin to, and this cost for 130 lang. And I'm gonna put a link down below where you can buy this one sa Shopee para if you wanna buy or you wanna try this, ayan, madali nyo mahahanap yung itong brand na to. So, napakita ko na naman siya before, pero papakita ko ulit siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. So, ito yung itsura niya. This one is the colorant, and then this one is the oxidant. Again, guys, this is a 12% oxidant. And then, ang sabi kasi dito, ilalagay niyo siya sa isang plastic bowl. Pero wala kaming ganun. So, ito yung paglalagay ng colorant. And then suklay, para habang nagko-color. And then, an old toothbrush. So if wala kayong materials na pang salon, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng mga nasa bahay nyo lang. Pero kung meron kayong materials na pang salon, kagaya nung ganito, yan ang gamitin nyo guys para mas feel nyo nasa salon kayo. Pero wala kaming ganun, so ito na lang yung gagamitin namin. So ang gagawin lang dito is ipag-mix tong dalawang to, and then ang sabi kasi dito sa box guys, bago tayo mag-color, i-explain ko na. Ang sabi dito, if the regrowth is more than 2 inches, it is advisable to follow first application virgin hair. So, kapag may color na yung hair mo and gusto mo lang i-retouch, kasi nga, diba, i-retouch na lang siya kasi may color na here. So, ang uunahin is yung virgin hair. Yun yung pagkakaintindi ko, guys. Here sa box, ayan nakalagay. So, sabi is, first application virgin hair instruction, highlighting, retouch. This application is the same as regrowth application. Total time is 40 to 45 minutes. All total processing time can be reduced when using a heat source. So, wala kaming ganon. So, I guess 1 hour namin siyang ibababad ulit, kagaya nung before. And if you haven't watched that, kung gusto nyong panoorin, I'm just gonna put it here or yung link down below in the description box. So, let's start na. Guys, bago kayo mag-color ng hair, make sure na yung damit na gagamitin nyo is hindi nyo na ginagamit or pangbahay nyo na lang para hindi madumihan or mamantsahan. So, ayan. Let's go. Hi guys! So we're done coloring my hair and I'm just waiting for 30 minutes para i-rinse siya. So papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura niya mamaya. And nag-color naman yung hair dye dun sa roots ko, which is yung black na. And hindi siya ash, as you guys can see. Para siyang brown. And excited ako makita dun sa ends kasi yun yung bleached part ng hair ko. So titingnan natin kung nag-color ng ash yung end, which is yung bleach part ng hair ko. And then yung roots, obviously color brown siya or something like that. Pero tingnan natin mamaya yung result after ko i-rinse to. And then, ayun, gagamit lang ako ng conditioner. Hindi ko alam kung anong conditioner yung gagamitin ko, pero papakita ko na lang din sa inyo kung anong conditioner. And then, papakita ko yung after or yung result nung hair ko later. So, I'm so excited. Ngayon, kakain muna kami habang hinihintay ko mag-set yung hair color for 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the conditioner that I'm gonna use para banlawan ko yung hair ko. So, babanlawan ko na siya ngayon and ayan.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hi guys! So, this is the final result ng hair dye na ginawa namin kanina. And as you guys can see, so, ayan guys. So, kinulot lang namin siya para naman cute. So, ito yung na-bleach na before. And as you guys can see naman, nag-color yung pagka-ash blonde. So, na-achieve yung ash blonde. So, kailangan mo talagang i-bleach yung hair mo para ma-achieve mo yung talagang tunay na color nung hair dye. Pero, dito sa top part, hindi naman kasi ako nag-bleach. So, hindi siya ash. Pero okay lang because I still like the color. Basta hindi na siya black, just like before. So, ito. So, this is the before of my hair and this is the after. As you guys can see, ang laki ng pinagbago and ang laki ng ginanda niya compared before. But if you wanna bleach your hair guys, I prefer na sa salon or sa expert nyo ipagawa yon because iba ang preparation or yung process ng pag-bleach ng hair. So, I prefer sa expert na lang yun ipagawa. Pero kapag yung mga simple hair dye lang, kagaya nito, ayan, kayang-kaya nyo yung gawin using Bremod. Overall, 5/5 sa Bremod. Talagang nakukuha naman niya yung gusto kong hair color. Ayan. Hindi man siya yung super ash blonde sa top. Okay lang sa akin. Basta hindi na siya black. So, if you're planning on dyeing your hair pero in a budget, I recommend Bremod because 5/5 recommended. Talagang nakulayan naman yung hair ko and hindi siya nag-dry guys. Just make sure that you use conditioner after dyeing your hair para bumalik yung pagka-smooth or pagka-lambot ng hair nyo. So, ayan, di naman siya tumigas. Hindi rin nasira yung hair ko. Ganun pa din. If you wanna dye your hair, use Bremod. If you're in a budget, use Bremod. Pero kapag kaya nyo naman yung sa salon, then go na sa salon because iba pa rin yung sa salon. Pero ayun nga, pag in a budget and gusto nyo lang talaga mag-color or mag-dye ng hair, I recommend Bremod. So that's it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it and don't forget to subscribe down below and comment what kind of videos you want me to make. Again, thank you so much for watching today's video and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!